Mastering your in English. Embrace plural possession. Hello learners. Welcome back to our series on English grammar fundamentals. Today, we're exploring a key aspect of possessive determiners, focusing on the word your. We'll dive deep into a special topic called plural possession. This is all about how we use your to refer to things that belong to more than one person. Let's get started. First things first, what does your mean? Your is a possessive determiner. It shows that something belongs to the person or people that you're talking to. For instance, this is your book, means that the book belongs to you. But how does this work when talking about multiple people or items? Let's find out. In English, your stays the same, whether you're talking to one person or many. For instance, if you're speaking to two people about their book, you would still say, "This is your book." However, if there are multiple books belonging to those two people, you would say, "These are your books." Remember, the plural form isn't about the number of owners. It's about the number of things owned. Your is versatile. It can refer to possession by one person or multiple people, and it can describe one or more owned items. Now let's look at some examples. If we're speaking to a group of students about their homework, we would say, "Did you finish your homework?" This remains the same even if the homework is for different subjects. Another scenario could be talking about a family's house. Even though the house belongs to multiple people, we say, "I love your house," not, "I love yours house." So, it's important to remember that your is not pluralized to denote multiple owners, but the noun it precedes is pluralized when indicating multiple owned items. And that's it. Your might seem tricky, but with practice, you'll master it in no time. Remember, your doesn't change to denote multiple owners or items. Instead, it's the noun after your that changes depending on the number of items. Keep practicing these rules in your daily conversations and written communication. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the usage of your in English, particularly when dealing with plural possession. See you in our next video, where we'll continue our exciting journey through English grammar fundamentals.